Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you unlink your Twitter account from your Binance. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to unlink your Twitter account from your Binance, you just simply have to open your Binance application. And after that, go over the profile by tapping into this Binance icon into the top left corner. Tap there and then select your profile from here. Now, after coming into this section, you will see your Twitter has linked with the account. Just simply tap to Twitter and then you will directly get the option of delink account. Tap to delink and then your Twitter account will successfully be unlinked from your Binance account. This way you can easily unlink your Twitter account from your Binance account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.